Welcome to part 6 of this lesson. In this lesson we learn about the difference between base currency and variable currency. As we learned before, the forex has two currency pair, which is the first currency known as base currency. That currency we will use for buy, and the second currency is known as a counter currency on the variable currency will be used for the sale trend. The buy trend basically go for the up market, the sale trend go for the down market. The forex code shows two currency pair: base currency, which is appear the first, and quote, or the variable currency, which is appear the last. The price of the first currency is always reflecting the unit of the second currency. As the most traded currency pair in the forex, Euro USD, USD Japan, which is represent 41% and 80% of the forex traders annually. This is the astronomical percentage of considering the scale of the overall forex market size. Another surprising fact that the most of the pairs reflective in the diagram in the forex has USD. USD is the most famous currency in the forex. The US dollar itself represents 85% of the forex trading the volume. At nearly 40% of the trading volume is euro, and 20% of the trading volume basically represented by the Japanese yen. With this volume concentrated mainly in the US dollar, euro, and Japanese yen, forex trader can focus on their attention on just three handful pairs, because the forex is very simple to understand. We no need to complicate the forex by trading many currency, many time frames. It's all nothing, because forex is more about making money. That's so simple. But in order to make currency pair as our favor, we just focus on these three pair to know the forex market trend. Basically, forex market will affect by the news report of the country itself. But basically, all currency pairs are correlated. But in this case, we are using Euro USD as a base currency pair in the as an example. But there are many currency pairs which is known as base currency, counter currency, and exotic currency in the forex market. But we will learn it later in the coaching courses. As we know, the forex is so easy to understand, but people are telling complicated way that make us to believe that forex is hard to understand. But with our forex coaching program, you will feel like forex is easy for you and handful to make money. But our personal advice is you have to train yourself to make sure you know very well what is a base currency, what is counter currency, how to trace the market with the naked chart and everything. With our own coaching and mentoring, you will be expert like others in forex trading, and you can make extra profit through the forex trading career. Thank you for listening. The forex currency also have two things we have to understand, which is bid and ask price. When trading forex, a currency pair will always quote two different prices. See as above picture. The bid and sale price is the price that traders can sell currency at the end of the buy, and the price is the price trader can buy currency at the price is shown in the chart. There are many seem confusing. It's only natural of think that bid is buy and ask is for sale. The ask terminology from the broker's perspective, which is how much they are asking for the each level your entry point of the forex. This is really look complicated for you, but as a beginner you have to learn from the basic. But for the expert, they will know what is the bid and ask price. This is just an intro class for your own basic touch up of what is a forex and how the markets all works. But by knowing this little insight, you will know the forex is look easy from outside. When you trade forex, you can easily understand what is the actual point is bid and ask price is pointing by the broker. This is really easy to understand if you learn from the expert like us. Thank you.